Hey guys, welcome back to OB Toys. So today I'm going to be showing you my custom Mattel Carnotaurus. I had a lot of fun making this thing, but of course, like always, got to start back at the beginning before I reveal the whole thing. So this Carnotaurus here is exactly the same as the other one that just came out, just different paint job. Just wanted to show you that there's really no difference to it. I really do like these features of this one. So out of the two different Carnotauruses that they made, I like this body feature better. It's bigger and it has more functions with the tail. So I decided to do that one. And the reason I chose this one over that one is I don't like that red paint on its snout. So I thought I'm getting rid of this one and repainting it. It just looks stupid. But I'm sure it has some kind of purpose to it in the show, so we'll find out later. But they could have sculpted a scar onto it or something. I do like the color of this one. It's the darker colors. I like it. It's not a bad figure by any means. I just, had to pick one, so I chose this one. So before I open this thing, just kind of giving you a little review of the box here. I actually was able to find two of these, but this one was a little bit damaged on the box, so I decided to open this one up. But just giving you a little preview of what we might see in that new show coming up on Netflix. So I really like the design of this Carnotaurus, so I thought this would be a fun one to try to do. And I always put my own little touches on it. So get started. So just give you a little rundown on my process here. I'm just adding a couple layers of paint and I build on top of it. And I always start with a lighter color and then build my darker colors on top, and it's just layer upon layer. And I'll be adding that Milliput you see there on the table. I'll be putting spikes on, and this time I did decide to put a lot more glow-in-the-dark paint on there, so stick around until the lights turn off because it's pretty cool and I'm really digging it. Also, guys, I want to remind you too that I've been putting stuff for sale in my descriptions on each one of my videos, and it's just places where you guys can come and find things that just makes it more convenient. There's a lot of Mattel figures there. I have Milliput that you can purchase. I'm also going to be putting t-shirts and sweatshirts on there soon, and as well as there's links for like Audible or Amazon Prime, things like that it can help you save money. There's a book on there, a toy collecting book that I really like. You guys should definitely check that out. It's of the old Kenner toys. And I'm actually considering making a book myself. But if it's something that you like collecting and it's a great hands-on book to have, I recommend starting with that. So check that out. But there's lots of other things to look at too. Just thought I'd give you a heads up, let you guys know, take a look there and don't forget about it. It helps support the channel and I'd really appreciate it. But guys, I wanted to just thank you so much for all the awesome comments you've been leaving. Just my last video that I put up, I'm realizing what you guys are here for and what you want me to do and what you want to see. So I'm going to try to work for you. So just a quick reminder, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And don't forget to like the video and share it. It really helps me out. It helps me grow the channel. I'm having so much fun doing this with you guys. I've been only doing this for a couple months now, but I'm having so much great feedback from you, and I love it, so I'm going to continue. So I'm not going to show you the entire process. This video would just be way too long. So I'm going to jump to about halfway done, right about here. And then I'm just going to show you the finished results. Alright, here you go. Well guys, what do you think? I love this thing. I think it looks so freaking awesome. Also, tell me down in the comments below if you have something that you want me to make. Everybody that leaves me a comment of something, I add it to the list. I really like doing these crazy looking ones, so the crazier the better. Give me some ideas. So I just wanted to say thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends. Obi Toys out.